Yep. Kobe's playing his remote control car.
This one.
Get Caden back to Louisiana. Not new for Caden. Not really.
And who else?
My dad.
Yeah.
Kobe, you're it.
We're here at a parking lot playing together.
Kobe, you're it.
Yeah. Caden just got back from Arkansas. You're not. You are it. You're it.
That was doing good in the parking lot, Caden.
Look at it. I want to see how far it can go in the grass. Oh, we can't go in the grass.
I want to see how far I can go in the grass.
Go see how far it can go in the parking lot. Caden, Kobe, your video's still going.
Okay.
Here, take it off. Here, let me check something out. You do the video.
Can I play that
I want to see how far it goes.
So yeah, guys.
I want to try this one.
Oh no. Yeah, mine is a 90 mile. I need mine.
Keep going.
Here, I'm gonna go zoom in on them.
Oh, fudge, you're strict.
Where? Dad, that thing can go far.
This sucker wreck.
It stopped. It can't go any farther.
No, it can go further. Just wreck.
Dude, look how far Daddy's can go. Oh. Yeah, but yours can go fucking far. Where's your gone? Oh, it wrecked. Dang it. Pick him up. Pick her up. Oh, fudge.
Daddy, you're it.
That thing can go. Damn it. The winner is Kobe's car. Yeah, because mine was new. I had a new battery. Well, we're going to go eat pizza now, I think. Subway vlog was amazing. I remember mine. Dude, that thing can go far.
Shit, that was fun, huh?
Yeah, here you go. Where's the game store?
Wasn't that fun?
Yeah.
So y'all want to get a pizza?
Right there. Caden, careful. Stop in your tracks. Pick her up. Oh. We're gonna go get pizza.
That was perfect. Y'all watch the ants.
I'm going around that baby.
Did you clean your paws up?
Mine too.
Don't be throwing your stuff around.
Let's go get pizza.
That guy. Let's come back and push that one.
How do you clean the screen that's cracked?
Okay, let's just go.
How do you clean a cracked screen?
I don't know. Subway, here we come. You know what sandwich I want?
You can get a sandwich. You like?
I need to,
I want to get a bag of chips.
You said you want a pizza?
Yeah, and a bag of chips.
Alright, tell them what you want.
Pepperoni.
Let me go get my phone and see if your mama or
You're gonna eat it.
So you gotta tell them what you want.
What do you want, Dana? Half of it.
I'm not gonna.
Okay. Just pepperoni outside your ones. Mm-hmm.
Yeah. Can I just have a little fun?
What do you want, kid? Sandwich?
I forgot what my
You gotta make your sandwich, kid.
I know. So what am I gonna get?
Alright.
Oh, so I wanted a bag of chips.
I might call my dad for this.
You just pick out, kid. While we're waiting. What kind of sandwich you want? What kind of bread?
What's that sandwich that I got last year?
Well, these boys, Kobe's, I'm getting them a pizza. I'll just check it, you know, I mean, we were eating, huh? Oh, good. Did you find my little ice chest, too?
You know what?
Okay. All right, well, we'll be back over in a little bit. We run the batteries down on the car and have them last. Yeah. Okay.
Typical. That's cool. Also give me a bag of chips.
He wants a 6-inch steak and cheese on
Kind of
the,
bread.
that's it, Italian herb and cheese. He wants it toasted and with the American cheese. No, just regular.
Ooh.
Got your pizza going on, bud?
Okay.
That should do it right there.
And a bag of chips.
You told me?
Yeah, I think so. Wait, did you pay for the bag of chips?
This for the bag of chips. So you want to pay for the bag of chips separately, or?
Oh wait. One sec. Okay, guys, we're back from the subway. That one was a fun trip, and I'll see you guys later. Bye.